Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add an extra accessory in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox website and log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, click on the avatar section from the top left sidebar, which will bring up your character customization page. Next, select the accessories tab and from the drop down, I'm selecting head. Here, my avatar is wearing a baseball cap, but I want to add an extra accessory of a similar hat. Now, open the new cap in a new tab and copy the numeric ID from the URL. Then, return to the avatar editor and scroll down to the advanced section under the head category. Click on it and you will see multiple boxes where you can paste asset IDs. Paste the copied ID into one of the empty boxes. Finally, hit save and confirm the changes. Now your avatar will have extra accessories. And that's it. Now you know how to add an extra accessory in Roblox. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.